Ever wish your small business could respond to customers 24/7 without worrying about hiring additional help? That's where AI chatbots come in. If you don't have this on your website, you are missing out on customers for your business. In 2 minutes, I'm going to show you how to build the best AI chatbot for your small business. Go to myaifrontdesk.com. You'll want to log into your account and access your dashboard. Once you're in your dashboard, look in the left-hand corner for where it says website chatbot. Click on it, and just like that, you can now have an AI chatbot for your small business. You have the ability to change the color, the greeting phrase, and so much more with your chatbot. What you'll want to do next is copy the embed code at the bottom of this page. You'll then want to go to your business's website. For the purpose of this video, I'm using website made by B0. You'll then want to go within your code and paste the embed code right before the closing body tag of your website's HTML. And just like that, you now have an AI chatbot for your website that turns those website visitors into leads. Digging through chat transcripts is laborious and time you can't get back. Unlike other chatbots, Frontdesk's chatbot has a data summary the moment a chat ends. The information from a chat will be stored in a CRM, creating a summary with information like the client's name, when the lead was captured, and specific information discussed in the chat. Want to know the best part? If you don't have a current CRM, you can access the information in chats using Frontdesk's dashboard, which includes a built-in CRM, ensuring leads are never missed again. Thank you for watching. With our AI chatbot, you can now scale your small business even further, giving you the opportunity to grow. Head to myaifrontdesk.com to create a chatbot for your small business today.